For the record, I'm done trying to make y'all comfortable. For the record, you ain't trying to grow, then it's done for you. For the record, lab on me going all the way. For the record, ain't trying to link no time to waste.
It's a little firm right now.
It got soft. Yeah, it's not as soft as it was yesterday. This is gonna be a good day, Tater. Tater tot.
Oh my God.
Yeah, that was a rough one.
That didn't look fun. You got rocked good.
It's because the kickers are frozen still, but the run's not. I punched myself.
Yeah, right?
What up, female guys? Welcome to today. It's today. There's a tree here, by the way. Sometimes you just gotta punch yourself in the face to like wake yourself up for the day. There's so much dirt. Oh my God. Hoodlum Cody here. Oh.
Drip, I got you on two blades.
Whoa, squirrely.
Bump.
Oh, let's go.
He likes bumps.
That one's sticky, oh my God.
Your balls do with that last minute revert.
Yo!
That was perfect.
You guys have got to see this. Look at this dirt patch. It's massive. I've never seen it this big. It always forms here, but I've never seen it this big this soon. And if you look close enough, like over here, Cody saw it too. Like it's the subscribe button. It's chilling there, man.
The dirtiest subscribe button I've ever seen.
It is muddy. But they should put like a rope here.
This person picked a bad day to wear white pants. What an idiot.
Who wears white pants? Oh wait. Like, be like Cody. I was like, I don't hear Cody. Where
lost you for a second.
Yeah! Oh, felt so good. Oh man, like I said, I lost my access of spinning for a while. And I found it back. That was easy. Blaze! Yeah, you forget how big this jump is. stoked to be riding with these guys because they're pushing me. Get the slush badger in here.
Slush badge.
On a not slushy day, we could have definitely took that into the second jump. Yeah. That was a clean front 5. Oh, I corked that one.
Fighting for it a little bit.
I got it!
Not worth losing the rail. What a day. I'm so stoked that it's like summertime, springtime shredding, and that's kind of why we're going hard on the jumps, because Brex Park closes this weekend, so does Copper Mountain. So like the big, awesome, professional level parks that we have are going away this weekend. So we kind of got to go a little hard, but also like the weather is not going to be like in our favor soon. It's like snow's rolling in tomorrow, like, which is I don't want the snow anymore. I just want it to be like this, you know, until the end of the year. But I'm not worried about it though, because we are going to Mammoth, and we're going to keep working on jumps and fun stuff and hitting park, and I love it. This is the time to send it, because all the slams I've taken today haven't really hurt, but if it was like mid-season icy hard snow, it would hurt. But you know what never hurts? Today, sticker shout out. We got Boss Hog with his daughter, I don't know her name, with the Roman sticker on the snowboard. Look at Insane. Thank you so much for snagging a Roman sticker. That's the Wiggle Wiggle one that supports his college fund. So we got Lexi Ladies, I think this is her man's helmet, with the digital camo sticker. Look at Insane, guys. If you want an Evolution sticker and you're a skier, we do have a ski version of the Evolution stickers, and as well as all of our merch. The hoodies, t-shirts, long sleeves, the windbreakers, they keep you dry from the water, but also they're nice and airy for these warm days. So get a windbreaker if you haven't yet. You're definitely missing out, especially if you do late season shredding. And then if you do snag any of the merch, just make sure you tag me on my Instagram, and I'll give you guys gear and sticker shout outs in the vlogs. But follow Instagram and the TikTok for bonus vertical extra content. Yeah, so do that. And then what a sick day. We want to go to the lake shoots up at the top, but we're throwing down in the park, but eventually we'll go up there. Yeah, we'll go up there. And then front 7 off jump 1. That's what I want to try. Here we go. Ready?
Yep.
We're doing front 7. All right. That's what I want to do. Oh, the front 5. I was like, I'm gonna do that, and I like didn't commit. It's so soft though. This is like, slush is amazing. These big ones are so slow from getting hot. Oh! That's so sticky. All right, Team Buckhouse. Sometimes you fail, especially when you're making daily content. The chances of failing increase, and I did not change out the SD card today. We have a full other vlog on here, so like we're out of space. Like we can't film anything else. So the vlog kind of ends here, and we were gonna film an additional video. We had a sick morning though. We threw some tricks. It was dope. I mean, it's end of season, so I don't know what this video, the length of what it turned into, whatever. But like, hey, well, we got a back 7 today. That's all I care about. A good one, and then we threw bad ones. But hey, it was fun. So Cody, thanks. Thanks for watching, guys, and we got more videos coming. It's daily on this channel. So thanks for watching. Keep evolving. We'll see you tomorrow with another video.